Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear brothers and sisters. This is Chandni Bazar village, Lalmodinhat Thana, and this place is very nice to me. I came here for meet a brother. This is my brother, also my friend. His name is Al Amin. The same name I am also Al Amin. And an old man coming to us. My dear brothers and sisters, this place is very beautiful to me. This is pond, a very beautiful big pond is this. The scenery is very beautiful. Thank you. I have to go another side. Allah Hafiz.